Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to custom your ratio canvas on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So now let's create a new project first and choose a random video here. I would like to go with this, I think, and after that just go click add. And now in our project we already have this default ratio compared to the videos that we choose before. It's gonna be a landscape video, but then we can still custom the ratio for the canvas. So how to do that? You just need to take a look on this bottom features here, and after that you just need to go click a ratio. And this ratio, you just need to find out what ratio that you need or that you want, depend on the purposes you editing this video. If you want to make this video as a CapCut as a TikTok content, so the CapCut already provide to you the TikTok videos ratio here, so you can just simply click this. But then if you want to use this for your Instagram feed video, there will also have a ratio for those. But if you want to use this YouTube, yeah, the CapCut is already provide to you. You just need to explore all of the ratio by like slide this into this left side until you found the best ratio that match into your purposes. So let's do it Instagram feed. So just need to click 1 to 1, and after that just need to go click done. You can see here the video is filling in the middle, and there is a blank side in the upper and down side here. So we need to adjusting the size for this video so that there will be fit on this ratio. Just need to click the clip, and after it is being active, you just need to pinch this video with two of your finger together until the video is fulfilling all of the ratios canvas. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click this. Now you can see this video already have a new ratio according to the needs that you want. So that's the way how to custom your ratio on a CapCut application. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.